Hey y'all, it's Kiss. I have an unboxing for you. I've been waiting for this stuff to come in, and ironically the one that I ordered first was the one that took the longest to come in. But I'm going to go with the smaller box first. I have two boxes here, and I have already cut into them, but I haven't opened them yet. You know, I just didn't want to do that on camera and wanted to make sure that I didn't show my address. So we will get to see all this first together. So this, I'm pretty sure in this box is a wallet. I don't need any more wallets, but the color is what I wanted. I might have just showed y'all the color. I really would love a bag in this color, but I missed out. I wasn't one of those lucky, probably 10 people that managed to get this color during the breasties stuff. So, this is the Love Bug wallet in Supernova. I don't remember if I got premium or almost perfect. I feel like it's premium, but I'm noticing some marks on here. But it is pebbled and it's very soft. My other Love Bug that I have is smooth leather, so it's stiffer. And this is nice and pliable and cushy. So I like that a lot. I just love this rose gold color. I'm not real crazy about the color on the inside, but that's okay. That's not what I'll be looking at most. It's really pretty. And this is the Love Bug Plus. I like the ones that have 3 sections instead of 2. And by the way, you can also stuff little things down in here, like if you have an individually wrapped pill, like a Pepto, or you know, a migraine pill, or even a flosser or something. I do that a lot. That's one reason why I love these. So I usually put cards here, like I'll put my debit cards, credit cards, then I'll put my ID and insurance cards and stuff here. And then back here, I usually put like wipes and a wipe and maybe a flosser and Kleenex, something like that. You know, necessities to just throw in my pocket and run in a store. So I love this a lot, and they've been having good sales lately. It just kind of bothers me that I'm pretty sure I got premium, but it's got a mark on it. But I will. It's pretty anyway. I guess it doesn't make much difference anymore if you get premium or AP, because it's going to have marks on it and stuff anyway, because I've gotten almost perfect, and it's been they've been really messed up, like crooked straps and dents in the leather and the smooth leather, and so stuff that I feel like maybe should have been in the C sale. So I've got 2 larger things in this box. I have a jumbo tassel in Mamie. And I'm hoping that this will be good for fall colors, but if not, I'll use it in the summer. Oh, good. I was afraid it was going to be real peachy, but it's more orangey, which is exactly what I was hoping for. This is like a pumpkin color, so I love that. I really like that a lot. My other tassel that I have is in Cowboy Mint, and it's stiffer. So this one, you know, I can actually play with. I like that a lot. And then one larger thing here. I'm just going to rip it open. Ooh, that is a pretty color. It's hard to tell sometimes on the site. This is a utility pouch in Clownfish, and I love that color. Now this is in really good shape. I'm not seeing anything wrong with it. That's really pretty. Such a good fall color. Really good zipper. I love that. I was wondering if these would look good together, even if I would want to attach it, which I don't want to, but they look good together, you know, so I can carry them together if I wanted to. Nah, there's not enough room to run that tassel through the zipper, but those colors are so pretty together. Yeah, so this is the utility pouch and clownfish. I'm loving these orange colors for fall. Okay, what did I do with my wallet? Here it is. They don't really look good together, but it's okay. Anyway, I just wanted to show y'all quickly for tonight what I had gotten, and I used some credits and got some things on sale, and so that helps out. And I'm loving this. So anyway, hope you enjoyed, and I will see y'all again later. Thanks. Bye.